Alright, what's new everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing the Wyze Cam Floodlight Pro packaged with the Wyze Cam V4. I did another unboxing video where I unboxed the Wyze Cam, so this one's going to be focused on the Floodlight Pro. Alright, so this is the front of the box showing what's packaged in there. This is the top with the brand name. Over on the right side we got some marketing, which is pretty typical. Flip it over to the left side, you got the advertisement for the colored night vision, which is also typical for Wyze. Alright, on the back it tells you the features. I've been over the Wyze Cam before, but the Floodlight Pro, it tells you what all is included, the mounting brackets, the screws, wire nuts, hooks, screwdriver, even a screwdriver, interesting. It's got a 180-degree wide-angle lens, 2.5K resolution, customized the 30-foot detection zone, AI-powered motion-activated light. It's got the color night vision, adjustable 3,000 lumen LED lights. It connects to either 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. It can record 24/7 with a micro SD card. And it also has a siren and says motion voice warning. You can get more with a Cam Plus subscription, including person detection and full-length event recording. Right, and on the bottom is the product number and specs about the Wi-Fi for each device. The Wyze Cam V4 connects to Wi-Fi 6. Whereas the Floodlight Pro does not, and the Floodlight Pro is made to be hardwired. Alright, let's get this open. It has 3 tabs up at the top that we'll need to cut. Right. If you didn't notice, this this tab in the front actually pulls out, so it might be hard to cut through if you cut this whole tab off, or you can cut gently and just get the sticker. Up top we got the Wyze Cam V4, and then we got the Floodlight Pro underneath, and then it tells us to enjoy. Suppose we gotta set it up before we enjoy it. And there is the Floodlight Pro. I'm going to dump it over so we get a look at that box. So these appear to come in retail packaging. This Wyze Cam V4 looks familiar like when we unboxed it previously. You can go check out that video. I'm going to set it to the side. And we are going to continue to unbox the Floodlight Pro. Here's more marketing like I already went over before. Has a 180-degree view. Works with all your assistants here and integrates with IFTT. Same. All the features I previously went over with a few more added, such as Bluetooth setup, scheduling automations, and then with the Cam Plus description you get view cameras in your browser and instant video event review. Down here as consistent light pattern without hotspots or overexposure. So evenly distributed light prevents overexposure. And on the bottom it has more of the specs. This one does not have stickers holding it shut, just has this tab that pulls out in front. divider. It does have stuff in there, we'll get to it. This packaging is now empty, but the Floodlight Pro was packaged like that in there. I'm going to set this to the side. Okay, with that set to the side, we have the mounting bracket. We have the Wyze Cam Floodlight Pro with the 3 LED lights. The actual camera itself. And here's the base with wires that you'll have to use the wire nuts to connect the device. And then in the box that was tucked in the middle, comes a nice Ziploc bag here with a quick start guide, screwdriver as I mentioned, the wire nuts, a little cap, a hook, and the screws. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up so I know you like this content and would like more. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.